Have you ever wished you could replicate your voice for your videos? Well, in our rapidly evolving digital age, this is no longer a wishful thought. Welcome to the world of voice replication technology, a revolutionary innovation that's reshaping the way we create content. At the forefront of this technological revolution is Invideo AI, with its cutting-edge ability to clone your voice for your videos. How does it work, you might ask? It's all about learning the unique characteristics of your voice and recreating them digitally. A process that's as fascinating as it sounds. The advantages are vast, especially for content creators. It means you can produce content more efficiently, maintain consistent audio quality, and even narrate your videos when you're not physically available. Now that's something to think about. Imagine the possibilities if you could have your digital twin speaking for you in your videos. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this amazing technology. So, how does Invideo AI manage to replicate your voice? We're glad you asked. It's actually a fascinating process that involves advanced technology, like speech synthesis and deep learning algorithms. Let's start with speech synthesis. This technology has been around for a while, but Invideo AI takes it to a whole new level. Speech synthesis is the artificial production of human speech which is used to give your digital assistant its voice, for example. But Invideo AI doesn't just create any voice, it creates your voice. Next, let's talk about deep learning algorithms. These are complex computational models that are designed to mimic the human brain. They're capable of learning from large amounts of data and making predictions based on that data. In the case of Invideo AI's voice replication, these algorithms learn from a sample of your voice. Here's how it works. You provide a sample of your voice, which the software then analyzes. It breaks down your voice into its most basic components. This includes things like pitch, tone, rhythm, and inflection. All these elements combined give your voice its unique sound. The deep learning algorithms then get to work, studying these components and learning how to reproduce them. They're constantly learning and adapting, which allows them to mimic your voice with an impressive level of accuracy. But it doesn't stop there. Once the software has learned to replicate your voice, it continues to improve. The more data it has, the better it gets. Every time you use the software, it learns a little more about your voice and gets a little better at mimicking it. This is what sets Invideo AI apart. It's not just replicating your voice, it's learning and adapting to it. It's creating a digital copy of your voice that's so accurate, it's almost indistinguishable from the real thing. And the best part, it's all done in real time. That means you can have a digital version of your voice ready to use in your videos in just a matter of minutes. With cutting-edge technology, Invideo AI is able to create a digital copy of your voice that sounds incredibly realistic. Now that you understand the science behind it, let's walk through how to use this amazing feature. To start off, you'll need to record a sample of your voice. This is the raw material that Invideo's AI will use to create your digital voice. Make sure to record in a quiet environment to ensure the best results. The sample should be around a minute long and should include a variety of sounds and speech patterns. This will give the AI a comprehensive understanding of your voice. Once you have your voice sample ready, the next step is to upload it to the Invideo platform. This is a straightforward process. Simply navigate to the voice replication section of the platform and click on the upload button. Then, select the voice sample file from your computer and hit the upload button. The platform will now process your voice sample and create your digital voice. While the AI is processing your voice sample, you can take a short break. This process usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary depending on the length and complexity of your voice sample. Once the processing is complete, the platform will notify you, and you can proceed to the next step. Now that your digital voice is ready, it's time to apply it to your video. Navigate to the video editor section of the platform, and open the video you want to add your voice to. Then, click on the voiceover button. A drop-down menu will appear, and you should see your digital voice listed there. Select it, and the platform will automatically apply your digital voice to your video. You can customize the application of your digital voice to fit your video perfectly. You can adjust the volume, speed, and pitch of your digital voice. You can also add pauses, change the intonation, and even add emphasis to certain words or phrases. This level of customization allows you to create a voiceover that truly matches the tone and feel of your video. Once you're satisfied with how your digital voice sounds in your video, it's time to export your video. Click on the export button, choose your desired video format and quality, and then hit the export button again. The platform will now render your video with your digital voice and prepare it for download. This process can take a few minutes, but once it's done, you can download your video and share it with the world. And there you have it, your voice, digitally replicated and ready to use in your videos. This might seem like a lot of steps, but once you get the hang of it, it's really quite simple. And the best part is, you can use your digital voice in as many videos as you want, saving you time and effort in the long run. So go ahead, give Invideo AI voice replication a try, and see how it can improve your video creation process. So how can content creators take advantage of this innovative technology? Let's dive right in. Firstly, let's think about voiceovers. We all know how vital a compelling voiceover can be in telling a story, explaining a concept, or guiding an audience through a video. With Invideo AI voice replication, you can replicate your own voice, allowing you to create consistent, high-quality voiceovers without spending hours in the recording booth. Imagine being able to produce your voiceovers at any time, even in the middle of the night without disturbing anyone, or while you're on the road, away from your usual recording equipment. Next, let's consider narration. Whether you're creating an audiobook, a documentary, or a how-to video, narration is key. But what if you're not a natural narrator, or you don't have the time to narrate an entire book or lengthy video? That's where Invideo AI comes in. It can replicate your voice to provide clear, engaging narration, saving you time and ensuring your content maintains a personal touch. But that's not all. Ever thought about creating a cartoon or a video game but felt stuck because you didn't have the right voices for your characters? Well, Invideo AI can help with that too. You can use this technology to develop unique character voices, bringing your creations to life and adding an extra layer of immersion and authenticity for your audience. Lastly, consider the potential for internationalization. If you're an English-speaking content creator looking to reach a global audience, you could use Invideo AI to translate and replicate your voice in other languages, making your content more accessible and inclusive. So whether you're a vlogger, a podcaster, an animator, a game developer, or any other kind of content creator, Invideo AI's voice replication technology offers a world of possibilities. It's about more than just convenience or saving time. It's about opening up new avenues of creativity, elevating your content, and connecting with your audience on a deeper level. The applications for this technology are only limited by your imagination. Voice replication technology is revolutionizing the way we create content, a statement that encapsulates the power of Invideo AI's voice replication feature. But let's take a moment to revisit what we've learned. We kicked off our journey with an introduction to this game-changing technology. We dove into the complex world of voice replication, a world where AI is used to clone human voices. The result? An authentic replication that sounds so real you'd be hard-pressed to tell the difference. We then embarked on a deep dive into the science behind Invideo AI's voice replication. It's a process that involves intricate algorithms, machine learning, and a wealth of audio data, all working together to imitate the unique characteristics of your voice. From pitch and tone to rhythm and speed, this technology captures it all. Next, we took you through a step-by-step guide on using this feature. Remember, it's as simple as uploading a sample of your voice, letting the AI do its magic, and then using the replicated voice in your video content. And the best part? It's all done in a user-friendly interface that makes the process a breeze. We also touched on the potential applications for content creators. Whether you're a vlogger, a podcaster, a filmmaker, or just someone who loves creating content, this technology opens up a world of possibilities. It allows you to be in multiple places at once, to create diverse characters, or to simply give your voice a break when you need it. In conclusion, Invideo AI's voice replication is more than just a cool feature. It's a powerful tool that can transform the way you create and deliver content. It's about breaking boundaries, pushing the limits, and reinventing what's possible. With Invideo AI's voice replication feature, your voice can now be anywhere you want it to be, even if you're not there yourself. It's truly a game changer for content creators everywhere.